Fucking look, you fucking idiot! Jesus fuck. And the pretty stars in the sky doing left. Yeah, keep coming. Fucking keep coming. Fucking dickhead. You little wanker. Fucking twat. Reason you're going nowhere. Just hug the back of the bus. Look at that red light jump, that silver. Look at that. Look at that. This is gorgeous. Oh, you tell him. Oh, now you want to turn left. Okay. I should beep at him. Welcome back to London. Oh, I'm dumb. I'm so dumb. Look at this fucking dickhead. Oh, it's a slip road, buddy. You don't have to stop here. You don't have to stop. We've got a whole section of road to ourselves here. Fucking signal if you're not going to go down that fucking road. Dickhead. Fucking dickhead. Fucking bitch! Fucking going over the stop line. What does that tell me? Fucking idiot. Why try to undertake me? Going into the cycle lane as well to do that. Why? Happy Christmas, everybody. Comes around so quick, doesn't it? Why are you such an angry cat? What is your fucking problem? What's your fucking problem, dude?